What is up, YouTube? So I'm at a car meet. I was fully expecting nobody to be here, but it's actually a decent turnout. So I'm gonna give you guys hopefully a quick 5-minute vlog, because I'm probably not gonna stay long. I have work tomorrow, so I'm gonna just show you guys the cars here. It's some pretty decent stuff, some regular traffic including me, but everybody starts somewhere, so no judgment. All right, chat, we're here. This is the turnout. We have a nice little E46 right here. All right, what's your name?
James.
James? What year is this? You don't remember? It's clean though. I got an E46 too. It's a sedan though. Yeah. That's James. We got some more people. Car right there. Some nice stuff. So we're gonna start down here and we're gonna walk our way down. So this is the beginning of the lineup. We got more stuff over here. Some common traffic. Always nice to see a Miata, Honda, Civics. Bro got the truck with the beats on. Nice BMW. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a German boy all the way. Audi. Another truck, Mustang, another Audi. Let's see what this Mustang had. Got the hood open. Green belt. If you see a green belt, you know they pushing power. That's what that means. It's another Miata. We gonna go check that out. Focus. Something over here is chopping. Oh, it's a Mustang, of course. It's a bike. No, we got the Civic. What's this? E30? E36? One of those. Don't know what this is. It's clean though. Got the RX-7. Civic Type R. Nissan. It's another Miata. It's an Acura. And then we got some back of the parking lot boys. Clean BMW. Another clean BMW. What's that? I can't tell. It looked like a Nissan. And then a Charger. We got the police monitoring. There's a nice turnout. So it's a nice little turnout. I'm gonna try and see if I can speak with some people about their cars and try and get people to tell me what they have done to them. I'm gonna go over here. Someone got their hood open, so let's see. All right, guys, I'm here with John, who has this beautiful car. I don't know what it is, to be honest, but he's gonna tell us a little more about it. Hey, so what kind of car is it?
So it is a '89 Mazda RX-7.
Oh, it's RX-7?
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, it's an older one. That's
yeah.
fine.
So this is a second gen. That's a third gen.
That's the one I'm familiar with. See it a lot.
Yeah.
Obviously not original paint. What kind of color is this?
So this is a BMW color. It's called Snapper Rocks. It comes on their M Series cars.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much did you get it for, like originally?
I actually traded a Yamaha R6 for it.
That's a good deal.
Yeah. I've owned it since 2002.
Oh, that's a long time.
Yeah.
Before I was born. Not to age you, but
Yeah.
And then how much have you put into it?
Dude, a lot. Yeah. I care not to say.
Okay. All right, well, thank you. All right, I literally got 2 people to subscribe to my YouTube and follow me on Instagram. The one guy who I did the interview with, and the police is telling us to leave. We were supposed to be here till 10 o'clock, but unfortunately that's not happening. So I guess we're gonna all go out to a new place. So we finna do a little cruise to the next spot. Hopefully it's not far, because I do want to go home. better exhaust. My stuff don't sound like that. Got the CBR. Everybody scattering. Corvette. Of course, it's a black dude in the Charger. That 440, nice. Big Tundra. Little Civic. I need to get to my car after this guy. The thing about going to a next location is a lot of people do not end up at the same spot. They just came from the meet. So some people going over here to this parking lot and Menards, and then I'm pretty sure a lot of people kept going straight to like a different town, city, whatever. Really town, because we're not big enough to be a city. But yeah, I'm gonna go over here to Menards because it's literally across the way. It's by my house, so I can be in the bed by 12 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock right now. Dang, I don't know what happened. Somebody got pulled over or something. I wonder if people leaving now or what. Y'all know me, I had to park next to Twin. No, that's an M3. Bro, the next car I have is probably gonna be F80 M3, G82 M4, or some type of Mercedes, just because I want the style, like more luxurious look, just for like business purposes. Alright, y'all, so I know y'all can't really see me because I'm black, but that's the video. I hope you all enjoyed. I end up just coming to get me some food, so I'm at Culver's right now. Y'all could see the sign right there. But yeah, I'm at Culver's getting me some food. That's the video. Hope you all enjoy it. Please like, comment, subscribe, go follow the Instagram, and stay tuned for the next one.